Let's review the different types of door swings. Each of these has their own place and can contribute to a more natural flow in your home. There are two factors to any door's swing: whether it swings left or right, and whether it swings in or out. In-swing and out-swing are fairly obvious, but if it swings into the building or room, it's an in-swinging door. If it swings out of the building or room, it's an out-swinging door. Now, to determine right or left, we need to refer to the universal naming of different swing types. Across the industry, all swing types are referred to from an exterior view. So if someone is standing here, they see the door swings outward to the left. So this is a left-hand outswing door. If you stand on the inside of this door and look how it opens, you may think that the naming may change based on your perspective. But this is still a left-hand outswing because the name is always in reference to the exterior view. A right-hand outswing would look like this. Here's a left-hand inswing. And finally, this is a right-hand inswing. If you're buying an interior door, you're obviously not going to have an exterior side in the same way. However, the interior side of your interior door is always going to be the room that you're going into. A good example of this is a closet door that's just inside of your front door. So when I walk inside of my front door and I'm looking at my closet door, I'm on the exterior of my closet. One visual difference between our interior and our exterior doors is going to be the beveling on the lights. On all of our exterior doors, there's going to be a beveling on the lights on the inside, whereas on the outside, they'll be flat. Our interior doors are going to do the opposite. As we can see on this interior door, the bevels are facing towards me. That's because I'm on the exterior of this interior door. And that's important because if I'm standing here and I'm looking at my front door, my closet door, and my kitchen door, all of the bevels are going to be facing inward towards me, which means all of my doors are going to be matching. Take a look at our chart, which you can find in the swing section of any of our product pages, for a visual example of all of the different types of swing.